Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to set up Metamask crypto wallet on your phone. So let's begin. Okay, so the first thing we need to do, if you're still following, you need to download the Metamask. If you are using an iPhone right here, all you're gonna do is click on this link, install Metamask for iPhone, alright? Or if you're using an Android device, click on that and install Metamask for Android. Okay? Say for example, you've clicked on the download on Android, you'll be redirected here to a new link wherein you can install Metamask blockchain wallet on your mobile device, alright? And then we need to know first what is Metamask. Basically, it's a web browser extension and mobile app that allows you to manage your Ethereum private keys. By doing so, it serves as a wallet for Ether and other tokens and allows you to interact with decentralized applications or dApps. Unlike some wallets, Metamask keeps no information on you, not your email address, not your password, not your secret recovery phrase or other private keys. You retain all power over your crypto identities. Now, how to begin setting up your Metamask here. If you're using your mobile app, please do not download Metamask from anywhere other than the official app store appropriate to your device. Say for example, if you're using the iOS, again, what we did earlier, open the app store and hit the search button on the bottom right. Input Metamask in the search bar. Either click get or tap on the name of the app to see more details and complete the usual app store download confirmation process, and once installed, open the app and follow the prompts to create your wallet. Of course, you need to back up your secret recovery phrase somewhere safe and offline. Alright, now when you're using the Android, as we did earlier, you're just gonna need to open the Play Store and search for Metamask. Now the official Metamask app looks like the screenshot below. Be very careful that you don't install a fake Metamask app. Look for the one with 10 million plus downloads. Tap install and wait for the process to finish. And once installed, open the app and follow the prompts to create your wallet. Back up your secret recovery phrase somewhere safe and offline, alright? And now the next thing is, after installing or downloading the app on your mobile device, alright, when installing the Metamask extension, you'll be able to adjust privacy settings one by one to ensure the app is set up according to your privacy preferences, alright? Now, to do this, simply hit the advanced configuration button in the wallet setup process, alright? So, here you can toggle or configure settings including phishing detection, incoming transactions, additional token price information from third-party sources, and the default RPC provider, token auto detect, batch account requests, and custom IPFS gateway. Right here, okay? Simply just click on settings, security and privacy, and you can also add Metamask to your browser, which is for our next video. But for now, that concludes our video in setting up your Metamask in your mobile device. Now, if you have problems setting up your Metamask here on your mobile device, I suggest you contact the support and tell them your situation. And that concludes our today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.